You tell say my fix car. See me? That way say I do that.
You know I say it's a B13 and I have about 2 months now, you see me?
See it yeah?
I clean up the engine bay today, you see me? So I use buckler purple blaster. I show them. Buckler purple blaster this I cut the grease today, you see me? So I will go now like a video. Yeah, go now like a little series while go on with that car, you see me? So from part 1 go to wherever it ends. You see it? So I got rims it up, bodywork spray, everything. So and just stay tuned, pick up on a damn self. I just know say tune into your channel, like, comment, share, subscribe. You see me? Turn on post notification bell. Don't
See it yeah? See it yeah before.
Alright.
Do some work on it.
Yeah man, I do some clean up today. You see it's gonna be you see me? I hit that so far.
But 13. Do some work. Rims it up. Now we done.
A few moments later.
Yeah. Someday back you know, I use an old toothbrush and there I scrub down, scrub. You see me? You have to scrub. So, you want the car clean, you want engine bay clean, you know you have to scrub. You see me? And this thing, before they are done, this thing have to clean. You see me?
Bad Nissan twin cam.
Yeah man, you don't know. Yeah, I look at scrub. Oh no look, engine is clean already, you know. This never this so clean, you know. You see me? This thing have to clean.
Everything active.
This thing have to clean. This now come out of yard unless it's clean. You see me? Yeah. Clean. You see me? Clean. Remember say we say car and bike, you know. Oh. Want to get some bike video too. Is it? Some bike video so far. And use them as skate bike. So from all them back I feel me about why? Do the car sweet, this thing have to clean. Can't call the car machine if it's not clean, you know. Oh.
113. 13 badness. Everything active. Clean him up. Get me. Keep him look nice. Change out this. Yeah.
Turn on this. See this? A machine, another machine. Yeah. And anywhere pull up, this thing have to clean. You see if it's not clean.
Here. All thing here. Them dead. And girl dead. Don't know. Bad machine.
Yeah guys, so here we go on now. I have to take a little break. You see me? I have to take a little break because the sun really hot. And when the sun hot, draft one of that. You see me? But they have to take a little break. Best believe the engine bay have come together because see it show a little progress. You see me? They look at oil in there. Yeah man, I get rid of them. You see? Next thing I want to do, I have to pull off the topics cover and spray it. You see me? Yeah, I want to do that. So, gonna update on that soon. I'm gonna know what I want. You see me? So just stay tuned. Oh.
Can't let nobody tell you what you can be or what position you gonna be in or what position you in. Cause shit, we come from nothing. If that's the case, we wouldn't even be here. If I believed them back then, my teachers tell me, you're a loser. Get out of my class, you're gonna be dead by 21. You don't believe in believing, you don't see nobody making it. But I still believe I can make it through all that, so why would I listen to anybody?
Just touched down in England. Dog them a locked down a Bristol. Yes,